In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox error codes 279. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whenever you see this, basically if you launch your Roblox game from the web browser, highly restrictive ad blocking extensions can basically be a cause of it. So if you have any ad blocker on your browser, all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, like whichever one you're using Roblox on, go to extensions, and if you have any ad blocker, go ahead and either pause it or just remove it from Chrome entirely, and then basically it's gonna work properly. Also, if you have a VPN enabled, go ahead and turn that off entirely as well, because having a VPN can cause this. A lot of people who have had a VPN and they end up turning off that VPN, once they turn it off and then they try opening up Roblox again, it ends up working for them fine. Next, if you have any antivirus security, that could be blocking it. So go into whichever antivirus you have, and then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.